Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Verify CPU, RAM, and disk, confirm time sync, and collect a current network map and asset inventory. Once done, pick your IDS type, network, host, or hybrid, and install the core software or virtual appliance on a segmented management VLAN. Make sure to set administrative credentials and enable secure access. Then perform an initial baseline scan to identify normal traffic patterns so your signatures and thresholds start from realistic values. This reduces false positives early on. You now refine detection. Import recommended rule sets and immediately disable rules that don't apply to your topology to cut noise. Once done, customize signatures for your critical services and tune thresholds so alerts reflect genuine risk rather than routine activity. Make sure to integrate with a SIEM or logging pipeline for correlation and configure alert channels and severity mapping. Finally, enable protocol inspection and automatic rule updates so the IDS adapts to new threats while you focus on meaningful alerts. You finish by validating and operationalizing the IDS. Run replayed benign traffic and controlled attack simulations to confirm detection, tuning, and alert pathways. Once validated, document a SOC workflow for triage, escalation, containment, and rule updates so incidents are handled consistently. Make sure to schedule periodic rebaselining and rule reviews. If things go wrong, especially if false positives increase, use targeted rule suppression and revisit your baseline and asset tags. This fixes noise quickly without.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.